Hello students, this is part 4 of chapter number 9, A Shirt in the Market. Related with this chapter, I already uploaded 3 videos, okay? So first you should see that one, then you should see this because all the videos are co-related with each other. तो प्रीवियस 3 वीडियोस में हमने फार्मर जो कॉटन फार्मर है उसकी सिचुएशन को देखा, देन उसके बाद हमने वीवर्स की सिचुएशन को देखा, उसका कैसे एक्सप्लॉयटेशन होता है बाय द हैंड ऑफ अ क्लॉथ मर्चेंट, एंड देन वी हैव सीन इन द थर्ड वीडियो दैट व्हाट इज द सिचुएशन ऑफ अ workers who are working in a garment manufacturing factory, and at anyhow in whatever situation is there they ultimately prepare the cloth and handed over to a garment manufacturing owner, and then this factory will sell it to a एनी बिजनेस पर्सन, वो कंट्री का भी हो सकता है और या फिर किसी दूसरे देश में उसे एक्सपोर्ट भी कर सकते हैं. तो यहाँ पर हम देखेंगे एक हेडिंग अ शर्ट इन द यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स कि हाउ दिस शर्ट रीच अप टू यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स एंड देयर द कॉस्ट ऑफ दिस शर्ट इंक्रीज a lot. Okay, so why the cost increased here, and how and who are the gainer in the market, and what is the relation between the market and equality. The shirt in the United States. So garment exporters sell the shirt at rupees 200 per piece to foreign buyers, to any business persons of any foreign country. Now these foreign businessmen sell the same shirt at 1200 rupees. So have you seen that the cost of the shirt is get a height. Okay, why is this so? क्यों आखिर इतना ज़्यादा प्राइस हो गया है? So I have shown you a t-shirt on the screen, so just begin from the lower. Okay, now as you seen, the purchase cost of this shirt is 200 rupees, and this businessman invest some money on its storage. Okay, because they buy the things in a bulk, so all the things they cannot display in a shop. So most of the shirts, t-shirt, they store in a storage. So for their maintenance they have to spend some money. So all about 100 rupees per shirt they spend on the storage. Now they need to advertise it, so they also pay 300 rupees for advertising to media house, to newspaper agency, to television, to radio. Okay, why they do so? Because it made the product popularize among the people, as well as it also attract the attention of the people towards any particular product. ठीक है, जैसे कोई भी सामान जब मार्केट में आता है तो how do you came to know it? Through a TV, through a newspaper. In the same way, okay, because these United States businessmen have to gain much and more profit, so they advertise it into a media, and then this person want to get profit. They want to get per shirt 600 rupees profit. So if you sum up all the amount 600 plus 300 plus 100 plus 200, तो इस पूरे का कॉस्ट आएगा 1200 रुपीज. तो यहाँ इसका मतलब ये शर्ट जब यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स में पहुंचेगी तो इसका कॉस्ट कितना हो जाएगा 1200 रुपीज. बट इसका बेसिक कॉस्ट कितना था? जितने पैसे में इसने गारमेंट एक्सपोर्टर से वो शर्ट ली थी, दैट वाज अ 200 रुपीज. तो एज यू आर सीइंग दैट दिस बिजनेसमैन is able to get a lot of a profit on this shirt. Okay, so have a look on the other side कि जो गारमेंट एक्सपोर्टर है वो कितना प्रॉफिट कमा पा रहा है. ठीक है, तो स्टार्ट फ्रॉम दी बिगिन दैट कॉस्ट ऑफ अ रॉ मटेरियल इज 70 रुपीज पर शर्ट. इसका कॉस्ट कितना आ रहा है? 70 रुपीज पर शर्ट, जो उसने क्लोथ मर्चेंट से खरीदा था. ठीक है, इरोड के क्लोथ मर्चेंट से खरीदा था 70 रुपीज पर शर्ट पर. देन मेनी वर्कर्स आर वर्किंग हेयर, सो पर शर्ट वर्कर वेजेस इज 15 रुपीज. एंड ऑफिस कॉस्ट, ऑफिस में इलेक्ट्रिसिटी चाहिए, वाटर चाहिए, अदर टैक्सेस इसको देने पड़ रहे हैं, तो पर शर्ट इसको 15 रुपीज देने पड़ रहे हैं. एंड देन दिस गारमेंट मैन्युफैक्चरर वांट गेट 100 रुपीज प्रॉफिट पर शर्ट. तो अगर आप इसे टोटल करेंगे तो 200 रुपीज आएगा. तो अगर आप दोनों को कंपेयर करें तो गारमेंट एक्सपोर्टर जो है या गारमेंट मैन्युफैक्चरर जो है, they are earning 100 rupees per shirt profit, but foreign business person are earning 600 rupees per shirt. Okay, so in this way these two persons are able to get profit in this chain of market. And but if we talk about the farmers, weavers, and the factory workers, they are working hard, but in spite of the hard work, in spite of lot of a hard work, the earning is very low. So who are the gainer in the market? People who gain in the market are foreign business person, trader, exporters. Okay, but those people who do not gain so much in the market, they are workers in the garment exporting factory, small cotton farmers, and weavers. Okay, so it is very easy to understand you that in the market everyone are involved in this chain of a market, but the earning of a peoples are very different from each other. So now we will see that what is the relation between the market and equality. That इस मार्केट में क्या सभी लोग बराबर हैं, क्या वो they feel themselves that they are equal. Okay, so first we will see this in term of profit. So as you have seen that foreign business person made much and huge profit, and compared to this, the garment exporter made only moderate profit. On the other hand, the earning of our workers at a garment exporting factory and small cotton farmers and weavers, they put a long hours in their work, but they do not get a fair price in this market. And if we talk about the merchants or traders, so they are somehow in between, because their earning is more than the workers, weavers, but less than the foreign business person. So you can understand that everyone is not getting equal profit in this market. Okay, so democracy is also about getting a fair wages in this मार्केट, है ना. हम डेमोक्रेसी के बारे में क्या बोलते हैं कि डेमोक्रेसी इट इज अ सिस्टम ऑफ अ गवर्नमेंट वेयर एवरीवन इज इक्वल, जहां सब लोग बराबर होते हैं. देयर इज नो डिफरेंस ऑन द देयर कैन नॉट बी एनी डिफरेंसेस ऑन द बेस ऑफ रिलीजन, कास्ट, जेंडर, प्लेस ऑफ बर्थ. ठीक है, but if there are some families who do not able to earn enough, so how they can think themselves equal to other? They cannot think themselves equal to other. Okay, so इस तरीके से in the real life situation we see that peoples are not feeling themselves as equal to others. ठीक है, एक तरफ जो बड़े बड़े businessmen है, they are earning more, so they can buy the car, but weavers, farmers cannot buy the cars. Okay, तो इस तरीके से वो अपने आप को कभी इक्वल नहीं मान पाएंगे दूसरों के. ओके, एंड ऑन द अदर हैंड इफ यू सी इन टर्म ऑफ अ मार्केट, तो मार्केट ऑफर पीपल अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर वर्क एंड टू बी एबल टू सेल द थिंग्स इन द मार्केट. मार्केट में सब लोग इक्वली काम कर सकते हैं, सब लोग अपना सामान ला करके बेच सकते हैं. And market will not do the discrimination that farmers cannot sell its product. Only farmer can sell its product through a trader. Is it not so? But the situation is compelled to the weavers and to the farmers that they have to work under a rich and powerful peoples. Okay, so at anyhow there is situation that these are the peoples, these poor peoples, they have to depend on the rich and powerful for the various things. So they have to depend for loan. अगर हम सपना की बात करें जो कि एक स्मॉल फार्मर थी, तो उसको अपने सामान को मार्केटिंग कराने के लिए, रॉ मटेरियल खरीदने के लिए जो है मनी लैंडर पे डिपेंड होना पड़ा. if we talk about weavers, so weaver have not a raw material, have not a they have not a cotton, they have not a money to buy it, so they are dependent on the cotton merchant. Okay, in the same way workers are dependent on the garment factory for their employment. So because of this dependence, these people, these poor people are exploited in this मार्केट. ओके, ये सभी लोगों को शोषण होता है, ये सभी लोगों को परेशानियों का सामना करना पड़ता है. ठीक है, सो बट देयर आर द वेजेस, देयर आर मेनी डिफरेंट वेज to come out from these. Just we have seen in this chapter that if the weavers form a cooperative and they do all the activity like to get the raw material and to produce it by their home means handlooms, and then they can themselves marketing it into open market, and in this way they cannot come under the effect of a cloth merchant. So there are some ways cooperative को form करके और भी दूसरे तरीके से इस जो प्रॉब्लम्स है इससे ये फार्मर्स लोगों को, वीवर्स लोगों को थोड़ा सा रिलीफ मिल सकता है. So here this chapter is all about finish, and I try to explain this chapter to connect with a real life situation, and still if you have a problem you can put your doubts in a comment section, and I try to give the answer of that. Thank you.